Good morning, Dewdrop. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fab. So today we are going to discuss the topic of the moment, NASA path-breaking telescope set for launch. You might have heard about JWST, which is the top headline in news these days, as the whole world is talking about it, and everywhere you can see publishing articles on James Webb Space Telescope. All right. Because it is a very expensive telescope in itself and the most powerful space telescope till now made by human beings. Okay, and the best part of this space telescope is the French company Ariane space station has successfully launched in space. All right, it is trending on social media, magazine, newspaper, everywhere. So guys, this is gonna be a very interesting topic, so stay tuned for more learning. Okay, the James Webb Space Telescope. So basically this idea of launching space telescope was given by German scientist Hermann Orbit, one of the three father of modern rocketry. All right, and NASA launched $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope to explore earlier stars and galaxy, which you can roughly say 75,000 crores in Indian rupees. Okay, so the James Webb Space Telescope, also called Webb or JWST, is a large space-based observatory which optimized for infrared wavelength, which will complement and extend the discoveries of the Hubble Space Telescope. All right. So it will be have a longer wavelength coverage and greatly improved sensitivity. Okay, let's move forward. As you can see in this figure, there are two sides. Okay, observing side and sun facing side. The James the James Webb Space Telescope has a cool side which faces away from the sun and a hot side which faces the sun. Okay, so Webb tennis court sized sunshield protect the telescope from external source of lights and heat. Okay, which ensure it can detect faint heat signals from very distant objects. All right, it is very important for its observing sites to be very cold. Okay, and the lower part, like it is mentioned in picture, antenna communicates with earth and the solar power array. Okay, so the lower part of Webb, where its 5 layered sun shield is faces the sun, this is where it equipments that does not need to be cold, like the solar panel, antenna, computer and navigational jets. All right, so for James Webb Space Telescope, it's like a London bus. You have been waiting for one for ages and suddenly four comes along at once. All right, now as you can see this diagram, gamma rays, X-rays and ultraviolet rays. So in 1923, Hermann Orbit wrote a book, The Rocket into Planetary Space. Okay, so in this book, he mentioned if we fix a telescope in a space, then we will see beyond the atmosphere, which is blocked by gamma rays, X-rays, and ultraviolet rays. All right, as you can see in this figure. Now, how will Webb be better? Okay, so Webb is designed to look deeper into space to see the earliest stars and galaxies, as I have already mentioned above, that formed in the universe. Okay, and to look deep into nearby dust cloud to study the formation of stars and planets. Okay, in order to do this, Webb will have a much larger primary mirror than Hubble, that is approx 2.5 times larger in diameter or about 6 times larger in area, giving it more light gathering power. Alright. Now you all must have a question in your mind then that why this telescope named only James Webb Telescope. Okay. So this name has been named in the honor of James E. Webb. Okay. Webb was informed by CIA source in 1968 that the Soviet Union was developing its own heavy Ni rocket for a lunar mission. Okay. And he directed NASA to prepare Apollo 8 for a possible lunar orbital mission that year. Okay. Not only this, he has also the second appointed administrator of NASA from February 14, 1961 to October 7, 1968. Okay. Now you must have heard and learned about this 100 times more powerful than Hubble article. What is it and how? So, where the Hubble telescope focused on ultraviolet and visible and near infrared spectra, meanwhile JWST will focus on high redshift objects, okay, that are too old and too distant for Hubble to observe. Many times we call James Webb Space Telescope a time machine, okay, because this telescope literally help us in gaining knowledge about universe starting time. All right. Apart from this, the texture of this James Webb telescope is very special. The mirror you can see in telescope, okay, this yellow plates are made of gold, which are pure gold, and a very thin gold plating is done here. Okay, and the reason why scientists chose the element gold for the mirror is the property of high reflection. The property of high reflection of the infrared light to Webb instruments. Okay, as you all know that gold reflects 99% all the infrared light that it encounters as compared to silver and aluminum. Alright, and the whole process in making this whole process they use gold for coating roughly around 60 to 50 to 60 grams. Okay. Now come to the topic list of space telescope. Okay. So this idea of 1920 is still inspiring us today as human beings started launching telescope, and there are various type of telescope. Some focus on gamma rays, x-rays, ultraviolet rays and visible light, etc. Alright. For example, India has also launched multi-wavelength space telescope named ASTROSAT, which was launched on a PSLV Excel on 20th September 2015. And the wavelength it study are far ultraviolet and hard X-ray. Okay. Not only this, with the success of this satellite, ISRO has proposed launching ASTROSAT 2 also as a successor for ASTROSAT. Okay. But the way Hubble space takes image are very clear and attractive to Nebula for far galaxy, whereas ASTROSAT work differently. Okay, so ASTROSAT mainly focus on black hole. Okay, ASTROSAT was launched in 180 crore total cost plus adding operational cost. Then it went around 250 crores. Okay, but Hubble telescope was launched in 1990 and its total cost is around 11 to 15 billions crore. Okay, but now what happened? Hubble Space Telescope is outdated. Okay, because 31 years ago it was launched, and most probably its retirement age is 2030 or 40, you can say. Okay, so to replace Hubble, NASA scientists thought launching new telescope which named as James Webb Telescope. All right. So you can see there are 13 countries which are involved in building the Webb telescope: Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, and Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and many others. Okay. Additional member state in Europe also contribute to European Space Agency. All right. So class, that's it for today. I hope you got enriched, and if you have any query regarding this video, please comment on comment section, and for more videos do subscribe and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.